Hello everybody, I'm going to go over the essay prompt. This should help you understand what I'm looking for a little better. First of all, remember it's not due till November 10th, which is week 4. However, I'm giving you the prompt now, which is week 3. So this is going to be on isms. And isms can be like racism, sexism, genderism, lookism. So in the overview here, people are discriminated based on these. So if you take a look here, after you read the prompt, I think it would be helpful. This student, I think he got a 98 on the paper from last semester, but it's really good. And I gave you a little note, so when you look at his paper as your sample. So here, have you ever been discriminated against based on your race, sex, sexual orientation, religion, etc.? Compare and contrast yourself to the people from this week's readings. Now, this week's readings, you have 3. You have Brent Staples, Deborah Rode, and Judith Kofer. So you're going to read these articles, and you're going to compare and contrast yourself or someone you know to these people. So in your body paragraphs, you may want to describe an instance from the readings and use an in-text citation, and then compare and contrast that instance to yourself. Again, follow this as they appear. It's really good. And then here, you have to have 4 to 7 pages long. You have to have 3 in-text citations and follow MLA. Now, remember, in the MLA, you can use the OWL Purdue website, or you can use my cheat sheet. But I do take -1 off for every MLA error. Deadlines, again, this paper is due by Sunday, November 10th. Again, that's the end of week 4, but I would start it now. So again, if you want to meet with me on Zoom, I'm not an editor, but I will meet with you and go over the revising with you. You can also use online tutoring, and there's an online tutoring video to watch too. It's really good, and I think most of the people who work for that company have masters in English, so they're very good. So again, read these 3 articles. You're going to compare and contrast isms. So example, Staples and I have had similar situations where we were discriminated against based on our race, or based on our skin color, based on racism. So that could be one part of the thesis, but remember, you want to include everything in here. If you have any questions, let me know. Oh, and the last part is, if you want to work with a partner, I'm okay with that. I think paired writing is a great way to learn. If you are going to work with a partner, please please email me and let me know who you are working with. Okay, everybody, good luck. Bye.